In this video, I will be showing you how to enable dark mode in Gamma AI to give your presentations a sleek and professional look. Let's get started. First, I'll start from my dashboard and select the project I want to edit. I'm clicking on my Video AI Technology Guide to open it up. As the presentation loads, you can see that the current workspace is set to a standard light theme. To change this, I'll move my cursor to the top menu bar and click on the Theme button. This opens up the theme panel on the right side of the screen, where I have access to a variety of styling options. I'll scroll through the different categories, passing by the light and professional sections until I find the dark category. I'm looking for something high contrast, so I'll browse through options like Ash and Canary before deciding on the Coal theme. I'll click on Coal, and you can see the entire interface instantly transforms into a deep dark mode. I'm scrolling down through my slides from the introduction and the top generative video platform section down to the technical comparison table and implementation strategy. The dark background really makes the text and images pop while being much easier on the eyes for long editing sessions. And there you have it. That's the complete process of using Gamma AI in dark mode.